Hello friends, welcome to Defense Matrix. On this channel you will get fully information about defense and technology. Let's view the video. Top 20 Secret Weapons of America. 1. B-21 Raider Stealth Bomber. The B-21 Raider is Northrop Grumman's next-generation stealth strategic bomber, designed to replace aging B-1 and B-2 fleets. Capable of carrying both nuclear and conventional munitions, it incorporates advanced materials and radar-evading shaping. Although many details remain classified, the aircraft is designed for long-range penetration of contested airspace, networked strike missions, and future payload integration, such as directed energy or autonomous drone release. Defense planners believe the B-21 will shift global bomber warfare, leveraging AI-based mission planning, low observable coatings, and modular open systems for tech upgrades. The first prototype was unveiled in 2022, and full operational capability is planned for late this decade. 2. F-47 Next-Gen Stealth Fighter. The Boeing-built F-47 is the sixth-generation fighter jet under the USAF's Next-Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. Slated to enter service between 2025-2029, it features radical stealth, Stealth++, Mach 2+ speed, extended combat radius, 1,000+ nautical miles, and internal directed drone swarms for air superiority. It's expected to surpass the F-22 Raptor in mobility, sensor fusion, and payload flexibility, while operating as the centerpiece of future autonomous air combat formations. 3. Lockheed Martin SR-72 Hypersonic Recon Strike. The SR-72 is Lockheed's proposed Mach 6 hypersonic unmanned plane, successor to the SR-71 Blackbird. Designed for combined intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance (ISR), and strike missions, it will cruise at $80,000 FT and produce kilometers per second kinetic strikes. Its scramjet engine enables sustained hypersonic flight, ideal for deep penetration missions in denied airspace. Target realization is in the 2030s, but demonstrators are expected earlier. The SR-72 integrates advanced heat-tolerant materials and stealth shaping, offering near-instant long-range response anywhere globally. 4. Long-Range Hypersonic Weapon, Dark Eagle. The U.S. Army's Dark Eagle missile, known as Long Range Hypersonic Weapon, LRHW, is a truck-launched, Mach 5+ glide vehicle-equipped system. Designed for rapid global strikes, it's intended to deploy in battery format, with dedicated command infrastructure. It achieved a successful full-system flight test in December 2024. Dark Eagle will strengthen strategic deterrence and maneuverability, effectively countering high-threat targets at intermediate distances, even under contested GPS or satellite. Denial. 5. shadowy Scramjet Cruise Missile. The DARPA Hypersonic Air-Breathing Weapon Concept, HAWC, is a scramjet-powered Mach 5+ cruise missile. First test fired in September 2021 and again in March 2022, it flew over 300 nautical miles at $60,000 FT. Unlike ballistic or glide vehicles, HAWC maintains dynamic control mid-flight, offering superior maneuver and accuracy. Technology development continues via MOHAWC, feeding into the Air Force's Hypersonic Attack Cruise Missile, HACM. This capability will pressure adversaries' A2/AD zones quickly and precisely. 6. P-HEL High-Energy Laser System. The U.S. military's palletized high-energy laser, P-HEL, built by Blue Halo, is a directed energy defense system deployed overseas in 2022. Designed to counter drones and cruise threats, it offers cost-efficient, precise interception compared to conventional munitions. Mounted on vehicles or ships, P-HEL can engage multiple aerial targets per engagement, limited primarily by power availability. Key technical hurdles remain: atmospheric attenuation, beam tracking, and power generation. Still, its operational use signals growing confidence in laser weapon viability. 7. Active Denial System, ADS. Heat Ray, ADS, is a non-lethal, vehicle-mounted directed energy weapon, dubbed the Heat Ray, that emits millimeter wave radiation to heat skin surface and disperse crowds at 500 yards. First deployed in Afghanistan and tested by police, it offers controlled area denial without lethality. Raytheon's Silent Guardian is a scaled-down variant designed for prisons or urban riot response. Ethical debates continue around pain, burn risk, and misuse, but it remains a notable example of military crowd control tech. 8. USS Zumwalt with hypersonic missiles. The stealthy USS Zumwalt class destroyer is being retrofitted to carry hypersonic, conventional prompt strike (CPS) missiles. Each ship can hold 12, enabling shipborne Mach 5 strike capabilities against time-sensitive targets. Zumwalt's low radar cross-section makes it ideal for surprise long-range attacks. This integration enhances U.S. Navy strike flexibility across Indo-Pacific and Atlantic theaters. 9. Manta Ray Underwater. Drone. The Navy's Manta Ray is a stealthy autonomous underwater vehicle, AUV, nicknamed for its shape. Built by Northrop Grumman, it's designed to hibernate on the seabed using buoyancy gliding, conducting long-duration covert surveillance or payload delivery. Modular bays allow mine planting, sensor deployment, or potentially strike packages. Its containerized form allows easy transport and deployment, serving as a stealthy counter to foreign submarines or deployed in choke points. 10. APKWS Laser-Guided Rocket. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, APKWS, is a laser-guided upgrade for the Hydra 72.75-in rockets. In service since 2012, it merges cost-effectiveness with precision, ideal for close support or urban warfare when avoiding collateral damage. The BAE Systems kit integrates a semi-active laser seeker and optional infrared, letting helicopters and drones hit moving targets precisely. APKWS is one-third the cost of larger guided rockets and lighter, boosting aircraft load and reducing munitions footprint while maintaining surgical strike capability. 11. Next Generation Interceptor, NGI. The Next Generation Interceptor is America's future missile defense solution under the Ground-Based Mid-Course Defense, GMD, program. Developed by Northrop Grumman and Raytheon, NGI is designed to detect, intercept, and destroy intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, before they reach U.S. soil. It will replace older GBI interceptors featuring multi-kill vehicles, advanced sensors, and faster response time. Designed for space-based tracking and kinetic hit-to-kill interception, NGI forms a vital part of homeland defense against rogue state threats. Full deployment is anticipated by the 2030s. NGI is engineered to track decoys and multiple warheads simultaneously, making it America's best bet for high-stakes interception. 12. XQ-58A Valkyrie, Loyal Wingman Drone. The XQ-58A Valkyrie is an experimental low-cost, high-performance autonomous drone developed by Kratos for the USAF. Part of the Loyal Wingman program, it is designed to fly alongside crewed jets like the F-35, sharing sensor data and taking high-risk tasks such as jamming, scouting, or strike. The Valkyrie features stealth shaping, a 3,000-mile range, and a payload bay that can house bombs, sensors, or EW gear. With AI-assisted formation flight and battlefield awareness, it represents a leap in autonomous swarm technology. It's fast, modular, and expendable, bridging the gap between affordability and lethality. Sea Hunter Autonomous Warship. Sea Hunter is an uncrewed surface vessel, USV, developed by DARPA and Leidos, designed to track enemy submarines and operate autonomously for months at sea. It uses sonar and AI to patrol contested waters while avoiding collisions and threats. The trimaran hull reduces drag, while onboard systems can detect and tail quiet subs like the Russian Yasen or Chinese Type 093. It's the Navy's silent stalker, aiming to change anti-sub warfare forever. Sea Hunter can operate under minimal human control, making it a cost-efficient surveillance or strike platform. 14. Thor, anti-drone. Microwave weapon, the tactical high power. Operational responder. Thor is a directed energy weapon developed by the Air Force Research Lab to disable drones using microwaves. It emits a burst of radio frequency energy that fries drone electronics, ideal for countering swarms at bases or installations. Thor is compact, deployable in a container, and takes just hours to set up. It can eliminate dozens of incoming UAVs in a single shot, with no kinetic fallout. Thor's silent, invisible blast makes it ideal for urban or close-quarter defense. 15. AGM-183A ARWW hypersonic missile. The AGM-183A air-launched rapid response weapon, ARW, is a U.S. Air Force hypersonic glide vehicle launched from B-52 or B-1 bombers. Capable of exceeding Mach 20, ARRW travels at extreme speed, maneuvering unpredictably to evade enemy air defenses. It can reach targets within minutes, making it ideal for time-sensitive or strategic strikes. ARRW uses a rocket booster to accelerate before releasing its glide vehicle, which navigates independently to its target. It's part of the race to deploy hypersonic arms before near-peer adversaries like China or Russia dominate the domain. 16. MQ-25 Stingray aerial refueler drone. The MQ-25 Stingray is the Navy's carrier-based drone designed to refuel fighter jets mid-air, extending their range and mission duration. Developed by Boeing, it's the first operational uncrewed aircraft to integrate into carrier flight decks. MQ-25 can launch, land, and refuel autonomously, monitored by deck crew. It carries a drogue system to deliver fuel to aircraft, like the FA-18 and F-35C, enhancing Pacific reach. Stingray also has the potential to carry ISR payloads in future upgrades. 17. Ghost Fleet Overlord, autonomous warships. The Ghost Fleet Overlord is a program of uncrewed surface vessels, USVs, capable of long-endurance, autonomous missions for the U.S. Navy. Ships like the Nomad and Ranger are testbeds for future drone fleets that will patrol, deliver payloads, or scout enemy positions without humans aboard. These stealthy, AI-powered warships can navigate ports, avoid obstacles, and communicate with crewed ships to share targeting data. The future Navy may rely heavily on ghost fleets in contested regions. 18. RQ-180, the stealth drone. The RQ-180 is a classified stealth UAV operated by the U.S. Air Force, designed for deep penetration surveillance in heavily defended airspace. Shaped like a flying wing and rumored to be built by Northrop Grumman, it is said to operate at very high altitude and long range, well beyond enemy radar. The RQ-180 complements or replaces aging Global Hawk systems, but with vastly superior stealth and electronic warfare support. Sightings suggest it's been in service since the early 2010s, possibly based at Area 51. 19. Phaser Microwave Air Defense System. Phaser is a containerized directed energy weapon developed by Raytheon to disable electronics on incoming drones or munitions using focused microwave energy. Unlike lasers, phaser covers a wide area and can fry swarms simultaneously. It's effective within several hundred meters and requires only a generator for deployment. Designed for rapid response or base protection scenarios, phaser adds to the growing arsenal of silent, energy-based weapons suited for drone warfare. 20. Project Maven AI Battlefield Analysis. Project Maven is a U.S. Department of Defense AI initiative that uses machine learning to process vast amounts of drone surveillance footage and battlefield data. The system can automatically identify humans, vehicles, weapons, and enemy movements from video feeds. Initially controversial due to Google's involvement, Maven has expanded and become core to next-gen warfare, where real-time AI-assisted analysis reduces human workload and increases targeting accuracy. It's the invisible weapon turning data into dominance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel Defense Matrix for more interesting and knowledgeful videos.